Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Albert Einstein. Hello, my name is Yumi Van Horn. I teach mathematics to 9th to 12th graders at Prospect High School at Saratoga, California. To explain why I teach, I'll start with few facts about me. I was born in Korea, but then my family moved to Australia when I was 12. And I've had 3 major career changes in my life. I first worked as a dentist in Australia, then I became a stay-at-home mom, and then as my children grew older, I started substitute teaching at my children's school, and that's where I discovered my love for teaching. And I have 3 reasons why I choose to teach. The first reason is because we, teachers, have the unique privilege to make a difference in our students' lives. Each one of our students come from unique backgrounds with unique stories and past experiences. Watanabe, in his research 2010, states that teachers who view ability and intelligence as more fixed or constant and unchanging are less likely to embrace strategies they can implement to help struggling students. The more teachers believe intelligence and ability to be developmental, the more they brainstorm what they as teachers could do to nurture student learning. And so I believe that all students, with their unique strengths and challenges, can learn at their highest level and achieve success with appropriate support. The second reason why I teach is because I believe in the value of investing in human capital. As President John F. Kennedy stated, children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. They will be our future leaders, doctors, teachers, and workers, and they will be shaping our world. So it follows to say an investment in knowledge or education pays the best interest or dividend. And finally, what can I say? I love math. It's true, math is the only place where people buy 60 watermelons and no one wonders why. And now, this will sound a little egotistical, but math is the ultimate truth. It is present everywhere we go, and it will remain true over time and space. I have always liked math, but it's only in more recent years that I'm starting to grasp the beauty of math. For example, I was blown away when I saw this equation for the first time. How could e, the constant, associate with exponential functions, and I, the complex imaginary number, together with pi, the constant associated with circles, be related all together by this number 1? Now, do you see the beauty? Yes, math is a little geeky, but infinitely beautiful. And so I want to share this passion for math with my students, both in its beauty and its usefulness beyond just math classrooms. As for my teaching philosophy, I believe students can learn best from teachers who are not only passionate about teaching, but who truly care about the whole student and are willing to invest in their lives. I care deeply about each of my students as an individual, and I hope to inspire and nurture students towards personal responsibility through positive teacher-student relationship and by providing a positive learning environment. Through the CPM curriculum this year, I have been thrown into a new territory called discovery-based learning. This was tough, but really eye-opening because ultimately, learning should be an active, constructive process through experiencing things and reflecting on those experiences. As this Chinese proverb so succinctly states, tell me and I'll forget, show me and I may remember, but involve me and I will understand. And lastly, the distance learning due to COVID-19 in the past 2 months or so has forced me to explore and incorporate more of the technology resources available online. And I must admit, I am so impressed by the amazing array of tools that can be used to enhance students' learning. Some of my favorites include GeoGebra, Desmos, Math Antics, and Mashup Math, and of course, Khan Academy. I want to thank you for listening, and I want to leave you with my favorite quote. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher inspires. By William Arthur Ward.